subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has started launching their new smartphones by upgrading their existing Galaxy A series phones. And now, the company is expected to do same thing with the Galaxy M series as well. Recently, a new Samsung phone has spotted on Geekbench listing with a model number SM-M315F, which is believed to be Samsung's upcoming Galaxy M31 smartphone. The Geekbench listing reveals some key specifications which suggest the Galaxy M31 will come powered by Exynos 9611 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM, and we expect more RAM options should be available at the launch. The smartphone also listed to run on latest Android 10 OS. The device managed to score 348 in single core test and 1214 in multi-core test. Apart from this, the listing doesn't reveal anything about the upcoming Galaxy M31 smartphone, but according to previous rumors, the Galaxy M31 is set to support a triple rear camera setup that will include a 48 megapixel main camera plus 12 megapixel wide angle lens and a 8 megapixel depth sensor. Now, talking about the release date. The Samsung has launched Galaxy M30 in February this year, so we expect the company might launch its successor as Galaxy M31 by February next year 2020. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M31 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.